Hi others! Yesterday we had a nice gathering of family and friends. It was really enjoyable. So today I feel a bit tired and worn out, so I'm enjoying the sun, the flowers and some Sunday quiet. One thing I always do before I start to paint is to close my eyes and breathe. To be aware of my breathing and also to use a deep belly breath helps to calm down. Did you know that it also increases the flowing of your lymph fluid out of your legs? Because your lymph system has no real pump function and it needs to be activated by your muscles. So deep tummy breathing helps to pump it upwards. Two things for one. And as I am totally relaxed, I can create easier and it relieves me of having expectations of my art. It helps me to see the bigger picture. Art heals my soul. I hope you can incorporate some deep breathing in your day today. Even without practicing arts, it gives you a lot of benefits. I wish you a relaxed day, enjoy the little things and see you soon. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up or a subscribe. And last to say is bye bye for now.